Hello and welcome back to Gunpla Network News. As always, I'm your host, The Spicer, and none of this would be possible without the great folks over at Canadian Gundam and the rest of the Gunpla Network. We've got the reborn 1100 Zaku 2 Kai, set to release in July of 2019 for a price tag of 3,780 Japanese yen. We've got the box art featuring the final battle between the Alex Gundam from the ending of 0080, as well as some more promotional images showing off some of the other accessories and what the kit itself is going to look like. For sure, you're going to want to matte top coat this to really get that ground grunt suit type feel, and it's going to look really good on your shelf next to that brand new Master Grade 2.0 Alex. So if you've got it, this is a must-have. We've got quite a few Gundam base exclusives, starting with the SD Cross Silhouette G3 Gundam, or the RX-78-3. This is set to release August 9th of 2019 for a price tag of 1,080 Japanese yen. Next, we have the HG Build Divers 00 Diver Trans Am Clear Color variant, which is a Gundam based exclusive. This is set to release in July of 2019 for a price tag of 1,404 Japanese yen. This is the standard 00 Diver in the Trans Am colors, so the red and the kind of pinkish red tone, but it's a clear plastic, so you can see how the inner frame gives it an after image type look. So if you're a big fan of the 00 look, you're really gonna like this. We also have the high-grade Gundam Base Limited Gouf Light Type version in the 21st Century Real Type colors. This is set to release August 9th of 2019 for a price tag of 2,700 Japanese yen. This is a slight addition to the flight type Gouf that we see in Oatham ST. A lot of the same things with a slight recolor and a slightly different chest piece featuring the windows that we've seen on a lot of the Origin kits. So if you like that design and just want it a little updated, it's definitely not a bad option if you happen to be by the Gundam base. We've also got the Master Grade 1100 Gundam NT1 version 2.0, the Alex 2.0, clear color version, set to release August 9th of 2019 for a price tag of 6,264 Japanese yen. This is just the Alex 2.0 we have received recently, but in a clear color plastic injection. Now, the traditional colors are more muted, kind of highlightery, but really the armor set looks phenomenal. You see all the inner detail, you still see the kit. It is really the biggest selling point, so if you like the Alex but you wish you could see more detail, this is the way to go. We also have the Master Grade 1100 Unicorn Gundam Perfectibility coming out in July 2019 for a price tag of 12,960 Japanese yen. This is another Gundam based limited release. This is pretty much the culmination of all of the Gundam Unicorn models we've ever received. It's got every accessory. It's got a nice blue Psycho frame. You've got the chicken claw. You've got the giant axe. You've got the two Fennec shields. You've got the Banshee backpack and arm cannon thingy. So anything you've ever wanted your unicorn to have, well, you're gonna have it. If you happen to be by the Gundam base, be sure to pick one of these up. We also have the P Bandai SD Legend BB Senshi Dai Shogun bonus, which is set to release November of 2019 for a price tag of 4,730 Japanese yen. Now on to the top 5 builds of the week. In 5th place we have Kyo Martinez and the Inami Ride. week. Of course, if you're stumbling across this, check out the rest of the Gunpla Network YouTube channel here. Go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that little bell icon for notifications. We're also on Facebook. You can get to know us better. We're on Instagram. You can get your work featured. And of course, we're on GunplaNetwork.com, where the news will come out before it does here on the video format. And you'll get some pretty sweet editorials written by our writing staff. I'm on that writing staff. Outside of that, we've also started a new store. So if you've always wanted some sweet Gundam Network swag, be sure to cop some over there. This has been the Spicer. This has been the Gunpla News, and you keep on building.